Welcome back to Famigo Dashcam, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary in just a blink. Fasten your seatbelt, subscribe, and enjoy the ride.
A driver tries to sneak through a super late red light, but gets a reality check from a giant work truck. That's one lesson you won't forget. Another close call, but everyone walks away safe. Looks like the truck was at fault here. The other car stopped, so the light must have been red. A calm drive hauling a brand new camper turned life-threatening in seconds. A semi rear-ends the F-350, blasts through the trailer, and sends the truck into oncoming traffic. The camper was totaled, but the steel flatbed may have saved a life.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I gotta go! I gotta call 911!
Ford met the boss level of traffic, an armored truck. Guess who didn't even feel it? Got a crazier mismatch? Truck thought it was a sports car. The road said otherwise.
Motherfucker! What the fuck? God damn it!
Utica hit and run. Fast crash. Even faster getaway. Tire out of nowhere. Straight to the windshield. No injuries, just a heart rate check. Ford F-250 charges through a red light like it's on a mission. No surprise, trouble follows.
Whoa!
Looks like the red car wanted to test if that divider was secretly made of marshmallows. Guess this truck driver thought he was bowling. In total, 5 cars got hit. Thankfully, no one was hurt. Sometimes being in the right place at the right time just means getting out of the way. And if you ever see a runaway red car, best to let it run and stay clear. Nobody wins chasing chaos. 4. Did someone say action movie? Because that felt close. 2 wild F-150s and a lesson in modern safety. Thankfully, everyone walked away just fine. Whoa! Watch closely. This Fresno intersection just upped its game. Here's how a simple blind spot can turn a normal drive upside down. Thankfully, she's totally fine. And that's what happens when you treat red lights like suggestions. Stay focused, keep your distance, and always expect the unexpected. Always keep your eyes up and your distance wide, especially when the big rigs roll by. A hit-and-run driver thought they could disappear, but every move was caught on tape. Stay sharp out there. Rear ends happen faster than you think. Sometimes a simple parking job turns into a full adventure.
I got it on video. You want it?
Blows the red light, gets introduced to a UPS truck the hard way.
Holy fuck! Oh my god.
South Bluffed, Charlotte, where red lights are just colorful decorations. This driver took reckless to a new level. Hit and run. Classic. And judging by the driving, this was no pro job. Ever spot a worse getaway? Clearly not professionals, just amateurs with bad timing. Who knew rear-ending could launch you into the air? This one's wild. Mustang out of nowhere, flips in chaos everywhere.
No.
20. Pickup and trailer jackknife on an overpass in Mulvane, Kansas. Miraculously, both walked away. Seatbelts on. Dollar General trailer driver lost control. Rear dash cam never lies. Here's what it caught. Yellow means caution, not race. Take it easy out there.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
Next time, skip the action movie moves. Your bumper will thank you. Apparently that stop sign was just a suggestion for this Mercedes. Black car bumps, then bolts, gone before anyone gets the plate. Rear ends always wake you up, especially from a black car. Rainy roads love a little drama. Neither car budged, so of course a little bump in the middle. Luckily, everyone's fine. Hit and run at College Town Drive. The driver's gone faster than you can say insurance claim. One drunk driver crashes into a truck hauling 12 bikes. Miraculously, all 3 guys in the truck are okay. Honestly, it's always better to wait a second at the intersection than spend all day swapping insurance details. A white car turns, black SUV stops, and the Mini Cooper goes straight into the Lincoln. Not the best timing for anyone. 44. Truck runs a red like it's no big deal and gets smacked by cross traffic. Minor injuries, but lucky it wasn't worse. Linwood intersections, where signals are more like suggestions. Hit and run like it never happened. A routine drive spirals into chaos. 2 cars smash at lightning speed, all caught on Dashcam. Thankfully, no major injuries, but wow, that was close. 5. Back it up into a parked Silverado, then drive off like nothing happened. Classic Pathfinder move. When the road turns into a skating rink, hold on tight. sharp turn, no signal, full chaos. Classic intersection move. Eccles' driver takes the crown today. No signal, no clue, no shame. Classic case of eyes on everything but the road. Fairfield hit and run, no brakes, no shame. Slow crash, but still a mess. Driver cuts in without looking. Classic move at a red light. Rockville never disappoints. Ever had someone pull this on you? Nothing spices up your day like a runaway U-Haul in Texas. If you have to steal a truck, at least check the tires first. Stay safe out there, Texas.
What are you doing?
Fucking do that ever again, you dumb fuck. You're a fucking piece of shit.
Dude, what the hell?
Oregon road
You just
rage.
threw trash in my
Less
fucking
driving,
truck.
more drama. Spitting and
You just
shouting
cut
like
me
it's a soap
off.
opera.
You have reached 911. If you need help, press any key now or say help at the tone.
Well, you can't blame anyone else for this one. The dashcam driver was clearly at fault here. Oops, someone missed the big red light. The Accord driver is clearly at fault here. Time to book an eye test at Specsavers, mate. Yikes, was the dash cam driver even watching the road? Maybe try driving with your eyes open next time. Just a thought. That look says it all. She has no idea what just happened. Wheelie was risky, but the car blocked the whole lane and still complained. Nobody wins this one. Well, that's one unusual way for two cars to greet each other. Looks like the white truck is at fault here. One wrong move and it's all downhill from there. Oh no, the Camry just sped through red lights at Sailors Bay Road in Northbridge. Moments like that are exactly why intersections can be so dangerous. Can't figure out how that Corolla ended up there. Did he unlock the teleport key or something? Oh no, the bus didn't stop for the ambulance at the intersection, and the ambo ended up crashing right into it. That's a tough lesson in why it's so important to pay attention to emergency vehicles. Imagine sending this in, thinking the red car was in the wrong. Epic response time from the police. Did they teleport in, or what? Every truck driver should keep an eye on their surroundings, including what's coming in and out of those blind spots. Sometimes being in the right place at the right time just means getting out of the way. And if you ever see a runaway red car, best to let it run and stay clear. Nobody wins chasing chaos. 4. Did someone say action movie? Because that felt close. 2 wild F-150s and a lesson in modern safety. Thankfully, everyone walked away just fine. Whoa! Watch closely. This Fresno intersection just upped its game. Here's how a simple blind spot can turn a normal drive upside down. Thankfully, she's totally fine. And that's what happens when you treat red lights like suggestions. Oh no, classic mistake from the black car.
Famigo Dashcam wraps up for today, but remember the road always rewards those who stay alert. Subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment to keep the spirit of safe driving alive.